to my whole intro and outro and forgot to put on clear brow gel. So I just added some. Yeah, you girls slipping. So, welcome back to my channel today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back now. I'm super excited to get back in the YouTube game and just kind of start unloading a lot of content onto you guys. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already so you guys can keep up with my videos and click the notification bell so you don't miss a video and you know when I upload. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram if you want to keep up with me daily and see behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, I just post way more frequently on there, so definitely make sure to follow me on there. I also started like a Facebook page. I'm just kind of getting into that, but I'm growing a lot on there, so yeah, definitely join me on there. This is just like a try new product video. I got a few new makeup products that I've been super excited to try and I'm obsessed with them. So let's just jump into this makeup tutorial. Love you guys. Mwah! Okay, so I'm going to be starting with this Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Foundation. I also got the luminous one. These are both in the shade 5. I think it is a little bit too light for me, but all the foundations that I have are way too dark. I've never been this light before in the winter time, but I have super dry skin, so I need to exfoliate a lot, but with bronzer and all that I think it'll be just fine. I forgot to put my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna use a brush today. Like, it's not too bad. I don't think it's too bad at all. I just press this into the skin because yeah, dragging is not going to be a good time for my dry skin. See, this is what I can't stand about using brushes is that they dry out so fast, I feel like. And I just feel like I can't get in to all the spots as easily. Okay, so for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I haven't really used this in a long time, so I'm going to use it. The formula is just kind of thick, honestly. Okay, so I just went ahead and sprayed a beauty blender. It's like lightly damp, just with the Marble Dusty spray to blend this out. And I'm just gonna lightly tap the excess off in here just to help make all my skin even. Now I'm taking the Cover FX setting powder. I'm just gonna take this beauty blender. It's kind of damp, and I'm not really baking just because since I have such dry skin, I just feel like that's gonna dry it out too much. So I just press it into the skin and set it that way. And I'm just gonna do this with my whole face pretty much, just to make sure everything is nice and set. Okay, then now that my face is set, I'm again gonna go in with this and just spray it so that the powder kind of melts in with the foundation and concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I'm just taking this Morphe brush. Oh, it smells so good. Every time I open this, I feel like I'm on vacation. Okay, so now that my face is done, I'm going to be going in with the Dose of Color Sassy Siennas. I'm super excited to try this because I've never tried anything from Dose of Colors. I also got the, what is this? The Blushing Berries. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it has like the names on the back. And then you open it. Oh, cute. It has a brush. And that is like what the inside looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with this middle color right here. It is called Foxy. And I'm just going to be taking this fluffy brush from Morphe. It is the R34. Oh, they're very pigmented. Okay. And I'm just going to be lightly placing that as my transition shade. I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a while, you guys. I've been a little discouraged. I just feel like with all the social media platforms changing and making it harder to be seen, I was just feeling discouraged. I knew I was going to come back. I was just kind of like, I feel like I needed to kind of change my game plan a little bit. YouTube changed their monetization policy, so I don't exactly remember what it was before, but I know I met it a long time ago. And yeah, I don't know, with Instagram making it harder to be seen and the new algorithm, my engagement dropped a ton, and so I've just been feeling kind of down and just frustrated with it all, so I just took some time off. So now I'm back. I'm really trying to set up a consistent schedule for filming and looks and all that so that I can be back consistently, because I've never been on YouTube consistently. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done the next couple steps for this eye. So next, after I got the middle color Foxy blended out, I went in with this red shade Brassy, and that's just to darken it up. So again, just taking it in the crease And I went in with this brush from Morphe. It came in a set. It doesn't really say a name, but it's just a nice tapered fluffy brush. And again, starting from the outer corner and then blending in. And I'm not taking this as far in, like the last color I took all the way in. I'm not taking this color all the way in, but mostly in, over halfway I would say. Okay, so now I'm just taking the same brush I used for the original transition color, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of the last color I used to blend it together so there's not a harsh line between the two. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking this dark brownie color, brownish red color. It's called Stay Sassy, and I'm just gonna be taking the brush it came with. It's just this super tiny little one. It looks like this. It's literally just to place it, and then I'm gonna blend out the brown. But yeah, it's just nice to pack it on and have a nice deep brown outer corner. And then I'm just taking this fluffy brush. It is R33 maybe, R38. It's gone. I use it all the time, but yeah, the name is gone, and I'm just gonna blend that out on in the crease area. And I'm only bringing this about halfway, where the other one I brought it a little over halfway. And I'm just gonna be taking this end color right here. It's called Oh So Sassy, and putting that all over the lid. Okay, so we're looking something like that. Take this brown a little bit and blend it in. Okay, so now I'm taking this pencil brush from Morphe, and I'm just going in with this second to last dark shade we use, this like reddish brick color. And I'm just gonna take that on the lash line. So now I'm taking this dark brown shade again, and I'm just gonna be putting it on my waterline. Okay, then one last time I'm just taking a fluffy brush with nothing on it, and I'm just gonna go through and blend everything out on the edges. Now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with lashes, and then I'll come up and finish up with lips and highlighter. Okay, so I'm going in with one I haven't used in a while, but this is the Kylie Cosmetics French Vanilla Highlighter. And I'm just taking this big fan brush from Morphe. Okay, so the last new product that I'm going to try today is by Dose of Colors, and it is their liquid lipstick. I've never tried a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, so I'm really excited because I've heard great things about it, and it's in the color Chocolate Wasted. I've been super into brown lips with my skin tone recently, and yeah, I just think it'll go well. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Mario Badescu spray one more time and just spray my face. Okay guys, this is the final look. I am obsessed with this lip color. I really love it. I love how this look came out so much, and I really love these colors in the Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas. Again, I used this for the first time today, and I really love this eyeshadow formula. I love it. It blended so easily like a dream. So, and yeah, just overall, I'm really happy with everything I tried today. I think this foundation is really good. Yeah, I need to do a wear test, so I'll keep this makeup on. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.